Hello everybody. So today we're gonna be doing this components that you see in front of you. So I'm gonna first go show you how it looks like. So these are the dimensions, and as you can see they're all in millimeters. So what I'm gonna do now without wasting any time, I'm gonna go new V. Okay, and from there I'm gonna go metric, standard millimeter, and I go create. And then here that I have I can call it my drawing board. Eh? So here I'm gonna start by drawing a rectangle. So this is my rectangle there. And then I'm gonna go to the dimensions, and I wanted that one there to be 40 millimeters as indicated by our drawing. And I want this one here to be 50 millimeters. All what we put in here came from our drawing that we saw earlier. Sorry. So now I have that. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go with that rectangle there, then my rectangle there, and then from there, I'm gonna go up to there, and I want that one there to be 60 millimeters, 60 millimeters, okay? And then from here to there, I want that one to be 30 millimeters. So that is 30 millimeters. So once I have that one there, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go with another rectangle, and I want from here, come on, I'm gonna go with another rectangle, and I want from here to there, and then after that, I come with those lines. So I'm gonna put my line there, that's my first line, and then that is my second line there. You know that one is uh, perpendicular to that one, the same as that one. You can see that shows it. All right. I was asked to do this drawing as somebody wanted how I'm gonna do it, because according to him, it's a little bit faster the way I explain it. Okay. And then from the to the that one needs to be 10 millimeters. As I helped him, this might help you as well. It's up to you though. Okay, so once I have that one, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to have this other line here. So that line needs to be uh, in correspondence to the other line. So that's one needs to be 10. It is 10 already. Cancel. So now I have all of this. So I can see that my drawing is done now. So I'm gonna go and say finish sketch. Okay. So that's my drawing is finished. Then I go on extrude. I select this spot here. So I select that spot. Then what I want to do now, I want, instead of going on what is that, y positive, I'm going to go on y negative. So that side, that side is negative. So that need to be 20 millimeters. So we're going to go 20 millimeters in negative y. So 20 millimeters. So there you go. Remember, once you're at that stage, what you need to do, go on the sketch, you right click on it, and then you say visibilities. So once you have the visibility, what you do now is you come here, you say extrude again, and then from there, you click that spot, yeah, and then you click this one as well, as you want both to come forward. So they need to come forward by 20 millimeters. So that is 20 millimeters, and then you say okay, and then from there, you go on extrude again. So now you want this portion to come forward by 20 millimeters. So I say okay. And then after that, again, I come here, choose that spot there. That spot need to come forward by 10 millimeters. So that is 10 millimeters. So that is done. Okay. So once that is done, you can see now. So your drawing is well done. So congratulations to you. So I come here, and then I right click, I select visibility to undo the earlier action. So now that is everything is done, what you're gonna do now, you need to choose your material. So this one previously, that one was in cherry wood. Yeah, this is cherry wood there. Okay, so I come here, and then I choose the material. So this one needs to be in wood. What is wood? Yeah, cherry wood. Okay, so that is cherry wood. Okay, so there you go. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. So I hope that you liked it. I hope that you gonna enjoy it and you enjoyed it. And for now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself, and I hope to see you in the next video. So bye.